Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do unboxing and setup of the HP P27h G4 monitor. This one is 27-inch 1080p resolution. It has a 75 hertz refresh rate and 5 millisecond response time. And this one is also, it has speakers built in. I bought this one for $100 at Office Depot. Right now it's back to retail price, which is $175. So now I'm just gonna unbox and I'm gonna show you what comes inside. So I just took it out of the box, and this is what comes inside. So first of all, it comes with the power cable. It looks like it's pretty long cable. Then it comes with aux cable. And next thing, it comes with the instruction manuals and I believe warranty pamphlet. Then it comes with the DisplayPort cable and then the HDMI cable. So it's kind of nice. It comes with both cables, so you can choose which one you want, or you can, use one for one monitor and then use the other one if you have two monitors and don't have enough cables. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the monitor out and then I'm gonna attach the stands, and I'll show you guys how to do that next. So this is what it comes once I took it out. It comes with this stand. It's pretty heavy. And then it comes with this support that's gonna attach the monitor to the table stand. And it also comes with this quick setup pamphlet that was next to the monitor, and of course it comes with the monitor. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach the monitor to the stand. So I'm gonna turn the monitor on its front, and then I'm gonna attach this. So what you have to do is just pretty much just slide it in. Let's see, I'm gonna have to use both of my hands, so I'll be back once I do that. But it's pretty much, it has these 3 holes and you just slide it in. As you guys can see, this part is over. I pretty much just slide it in and then you move this little thing, and if you want to take it out, remove it, you just push it and it's gonna pop out. Pretty simple. So the last thing we have to do to assemble this monitor is attach the table stand to the arm that's gonna hold the monitor. So this is pretty simple. As you guys can see, it has this pointy end, and as you guys can see, it has a hole inside. So we're gonna push that pointy end through the hole, and then we're just gonna screw it in. You will need a screwdriver, or you can even do it with your hands. It just rotates. I'll be back once I finish that. As you guys can see, I fully attached and assembled the monitor. It's very, very sturdy. We'll put it on my desk in a bit, but let me show you guys the inputs here. So you have the DisplayPort, you have HDMI, you have VGA, and then you have that auxiliary that the cable came with. And then on this side, you have the power inputs. And also, so it's gonna be on the bottom right, you're gonna have all the buttons. They're gonna adjust the sound, picture brightness, and so on and so on. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in the power cable, and I'm gonna use the HDMI cable. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna put it on my desk and plug it all in. This one has the swirl, so you can go back, and you can put it straight, and then you can also go up and you can go down, which is pretty nice feature. So now I'm gonna turn it on and we'll see how it looks. So this is how it looks once I connected it to my Xbox. I think the picture looks really nice. I'm gonna use this mostly for Xbox, and then from time to time I'm gonna connect my MacBook to it if I want a bigger screen. But this is how the settings looks. It's gonna be there's no light or anything, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So you're just gonna feel the buttons on all the way on the bottom, and then you're gonna press the one that's all the way to the left side. And once you do that, this little menu is gonna pop up, and this is how it's gonna tell you. So basically right under here it's gonna be a button, and right under here is gonna be a button. So that's how you're gonna do it. So basically you're gonna go down, or you're gonna go back, and then that's how you're gonna mess around with the menu options. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's 1080, 60 hertz. I think it goes up to 75 hertz. That's at least what it says, but since I don't have my computer, it's gonna be on 60 hertz during the Xbox play. And I also have the old Xbox One. I don't have the newest one. But I'm gonna mess around with the settings a bit, try to make it look even more better. And I'll show you guys how the sound sounds, since this does have a built-in speaker. So we're just gonna play one game. All right, so I got the game loaded. The next thing I wanted to do was do the check the sound. Since it doesn't have any volume buttons, I had to mess around with settings. So I finally figured out what they keep the sound. So it's gonna be all the way. It's gonna be all the way in management. Then you're gonna go down to audio, and then you're gonna press that one, and then you're gonna go to volume, and that's how you're gonna go up and down. It's a bit confusing. I wish they just had the buttons for the volume, but since they assuming you're gonna have it attached to the computer, and then you can gonna control it through that. But if you're gonna use it for Xbox, this might be pain in the butt, but I'm just gonna set it at, like, I'm thinking like maybe like 65. And then if it's too loud, I'm gonna, you know, adjust that, and maybe I'll just keep it at one volume for the rest, you know. So this is how it looks, and I'm just gonna do some just some fine range so you guys can hear how it sounds. So I have the volume set at 65. I think it sounds fine. I did notice there's a lot of bleed from the bottom and top. Hopefully that disappears once the monitor, you know, gets used more. I had the same problem on my TV, but on my TV it disappeared. There's really nothing you can do about it. I mean, you can return it, and you can still get a monitor that still bleeds, that has that backlight bleed. But to be honest, the sound does sound pretty nice. I'm just gonna do some shooting. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna have to lower the volume. This is a bit too loud for me. Maybe set it like 40 or something. But it does sound pretty good. Let me try a different gun. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Let's try the sniper. So yeah, basically it sounds good, it looks good. I'm definitely happy with the purchase. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It will really help me out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.